Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can turn off suggestions in journal. So it's pretty simple. First you want to close your journal app and head towards your phone setting. From inside your phone setting you can scroll all the way down and click on journal app over here. Or what you can do is go at the top and click on search and search for journal. Click on journal. Doesn't matter whichever technique you want to use, it's going to bring you to this page. Now over here what you want to do is scroll a bit down and over here where it says skip journaling suggestion, click on it. And if this is off then you're not going to get any suggestions in journal. But if it is on, you're going to get journal suggestions. So to turn it off, make sure this is off. Now you're not going to get any suggestions in journal. That is how simple it is to turn off suggestions in journal. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future journal related videos like this. And for people who do not have access to journal app, make sure to update your iPhone to the latest 17.2 version and you will get the chance to download and use this app. So I hope you understand how to do that. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.